Finding a lead battery match for your energy storage system is easy with the Consortium for Battery Innovation's online battery match tool. First, tell us about your company, your technical requirements, and your time frame. Then, choose your energy storage application and need for a third-party integrator. Our online tool will determine the best lead battery match and provide a list of CBI members whose batteries and services match your technical requirements. You can optionally request to be contacted by members or reach out to them directly. Your customer ID, which is linked to your battery requirements, can be shared with a CBI member to quickly start your discussion. Not sure about your lead battery needs? Contact CBI directly at batteryinnovation.org.